Close your eyes. In just 5 minutes, we are going to dissolve your stress completely. This guided meditation is designed to release mental tension, deepen your breathing, and bring you a calm, peaceful state. Now, take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes. Allow your body to relax. Let your shoulders soften. Your hands rest gently. And your breathing become natural. Begin by taking a slow, deep breath through your nose. Hold for a moment and gently exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension. With each breath, imagine your mind becoming quieter, calmer, more at ease. Bring your attention to the sensations of your mind and body. Notice how your feet touch the ground, how your body rests against the chair or floor. Acknowledge any thought that arises, then let them float away like clouds passing the sky. There is no need to control anything. Simply observe and return to your breath. Now picture a soft, warm light at the center of your chest. With every inhale, feel this light expanding, filling your entire body. With every exhale, feel it spreading calmness, peace, and serenity. Imagine this light gently radiating outward, surrounding you in a cocoon of tranquility. As we slowly return from this meditation, take a final deep breath and release. Gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm and inner peace with you throughout your day. Remember, you can return to this peaceful space anytime you need. Thank you for joining this meditation at Atma Deepam Inner Light. If this guided session touched your heart, please like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon so you won't miss to our next journey together.